Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and we've picked up a position today for an apprentice landscaper in the maintenance division of a company that are based on the Gold Coast. So if you are looking for work in that area and that particular industry, keep watching this video. This opportunity could be for you. So as I've mentioned in the intro there, we've got a new position going for a horticulture company that are based on the Gold Coast, and they are looking to take on an apprentice and train them up in all aspects of landscape maintenance. So that's anything from hedging, pruning, mowing, whippersnipping, and also some basic landscape services that they also provide to their clients. So these guys specialise more towards commercial, so aged care facilities and gated communities on the Gold Coast. So something a little bit different to what we normally get through in the horticulture industry. They would prefer a junior for this particular role. However, they are open to a mature age adult apprentice applying for this particular role. You will need to have your own license and transport to be able to get to different sites every day. And this is a full-time position that they have going. This will be for an immediate start. So as soon as they can find the right person, then they are ready to go. Now, if you're interested in this particular role, we will leave a link in the description below on how you can apply. But if you also know of somebody else that may be interested in this particular role, please feel free to forward a copy of this video onto them so they can also click on that link and apply. And don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that way, as future opportunities come through our agency, then you can apply for them straight away. So it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.